This is the best place to be for amazing Thai food. Denver is capital for Thai food. Best Thai food in America outside of Thailand. Crab rangoon here as an appetizer, so I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Then I'm gonna try it out. It's amazing. It's very creamy, crunchy too. I like the sauce. It's the fish sauce. Excellent. Chicken stock. The chicken breast grilled. Thai style. Peanut-based sweet sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. So let's give it a shot. Oh, really good. Sweet, creamy. Tom yum soup. So the tom yum soup, it's more of like a sweet and sour soup, cooked with some tomatoes, some shrimp, chicken, onions, mushrooms. This is a smaller bowl, so I can only imagine when you order a large bowl. Oh man, really good. I love the aroma of the fish and the cilantro. And here's the shrimp. Very good. Crunchy onions, mushrooms too. Oh, chili, tastes amazing. Kick your body. Oh my goodness. I haven't even finished my soup, and then here comes the pad thai and the tropical fried rice, Thailand style. Amazing pad thai right here. Appetizing shrimp, chicken. Tropical fried rice with some cashews, got tomatoes in there, onions. Gonna start with a little bit of the pad thai. Chunks of chicken. Line there. Doesn't get better than this. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Sweet, sour, firm noodles, bean sprouts, the lime. Oh, this is perfect. Chicken, sweet and savory at the same time. Tender. Tastes so good. Time to try some shrimp right there. Look at that. Oh, this is excellent. When I say best Thai food in America, Denver is #1. Speaking from experience, and this is just my honest opinion. second thing that I'm gonna do right now is put the tropical fried rice right there with some chicken and beef, a little bit of carrots in there too, pineapple, eggs. Smells amazing. Peanut sauce, just because I can, right? All right, so let's give it a shot. Cheers. Medium spice, smoky. I love the flavor of onions combined with the carrots. Excellent. You can see a little bit of the pineapple right there. Best fried rice ever. The beef and the chicken too, it tastes amazing. Cucumber, onion, and fish sauce there too. Cheers. Oh. Man, I can eat these over and over every day without getting tired. And the portions too, massive. Service is so quick and so good. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of pad thai mixed with the rice. Even better. Perfect combination. Man, if you happen to be in Denver, Colorado, you have to stop by here. I will leave the address in the description box. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And remember to subscribe and keep an eye out for the next episode on more amazing, highly recommend Thai Pot Cafe. They're closer to the University of Denver, so you can miss them. So thank you again. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.